Hello everyone, welcome to the video. This video is going to be a little different from the usual videos that you've come to expect from this channel, but it's going to be relevant nonetheless. As you're aware, we talk about everything with a dollar sign in front in this channel: credit cards, investing, trading, real estate, you name it. So this is kind of related to this. As always, this video is not sponsored in any way, no affiliate links or anything like that. I just thought there's something that's really interesting that I want to share with you guys. So here is this video. I paid for everything in this video, with my own money, so not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. So it's as unbiased of an opinion as you could get. So today I wanted to talk about some lunch kits. To give you a little bit of background, I am not much of a cook, that is putting it lightly, but regardless, that's the case. And I have always been looking for a lunch solution or a meal solution that kind of ticks some of the boxes. A, it has to be healthy. B, it has to be easy and quick to make. And finally, it has to be affordable, right? So good, healthy food is apparently, difficult to come across, or it could be, hard to make. So either way, healthy food, apparently that's the opinion that, there's a lot of roadblocks to have something practical and cheap and easy and healthy to basically have on a day-to-day basis that also tastes good. So I found these things in my local Walmart, and I think it ticks all of these boxes. So what we're looking at are these little salad kit that they have. There's two right here, and we'll kind of go into this detail in a second. So these salad kits I found on Walmart, they go for $3.88 as I'm making this video, end of 2022. $3.88 plus, if your state has any sales tax, add that on as well, but let's say under $4. And these $4 kits basically will give you one full meal. It's basically salad, but it tastes really good. I've tried out every single flavor there is. The two that I have kind of settled on is avocado ranch and this cherry almond flavor. This one tastes a little better, in my opinion, to my taste than this. But if I give this an 8.5 or 9 out of 10, I would give it a 7.5 to 8 out of 10. I switch between the two just to mix it up. Both taste pretty good, in my opinion. The two best tasting flavors they have. I prefer this one a little more. But regardless, so let's see all the boxes that it ticks. So $3.88, under $4. So pretty affordable. It's very healthy. Obviously, it's a salad kit. You could skip the dressing if you want to watch your calories a little more. I don't, but it tastes really good. It's pretty healthy. It's all natural. So it checks the cheap and healthy boxes. Then let's look at the next one, time to prepare. So all you got to do is basically rip open this bag and pour it in a bowl and mix it around, and you have your salad, right? It takes less than a minute to make, basically. No microwave, no oven, nothing like that. It's a salad kit. You just pour it and mix it. That's it. So you're ready to make it, it's ready to eat in a minute. So I think we kind of ran through all the items there. So we discussed how affordable it is. Now, obviously, you can get a McDonald's dollar menu that's going to be cheaper, but it's not going to be healthy, right? So, and you can't have it day in, day out. So that is, an issue as well. Also, you either got to DoorDash the thing if you're working on a weekday, or you got to go pick it up through the drive-through. So, you got to factor those things as well. This, you go to your grocery, how often you do, like say once a week or something, you pick some of those up, you're set for the whole week. So cheap, easy to make, and it's healthy, obviously, and it tastes pretty good too. So I've been experimenting with a lot of different, lunch options, and this I think, ticks all the boxes the most. Obviously, there are these meal prep services out there. If you, are a part of that, great. Nothing against those, meal prep services that are there. Maybe they taste better. I don't know, but I think you can find a Walmart pretty much everywhere. You could go pick it up. This for me is the best option. I've been doing this for months and I really enjoy it. So I thought I would share that with you guys. And also keep in mind the best way to, save money long term is to stay healthy. And what better way to stay healthy than eating healthy? So I found this to fit my lifestyle because, I'm pretty busy. While I do work from home at the moment, I don't have a lot of time to, go make lunch and go through that elaborate procedure. So I think this is a great option, and I wanted to share that with you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried these salad kits from Walmart. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you have a better option out there? Leave that in the comments to share that with the community. That's what this channel is all about. And I don't think we need to make this video any longer than it needs to be. So there you go. Hope you guys found this useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave that in the comment section below. And that's it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.